Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix an HTTP 505 error, then let's look at the options. Now all these steps which I will list are common to the browser. So whichever browser you use, whether it be it Edge or Microsoft Firefox or Google Chrome, you'll find these options in the browser. So the first option would be is to update the browser. So how we do that is I'm using Edge here, but this is common as I said across all the platforms. So look for these three buttons. Go to help and feedback, about Microsoft Edge, and this will tell you if your browser is up to date or not. And if it is not, then you will get an option to download the update. Now, the second option would be is to clear the history and the browser cache. So how do we do that? We go and look for the history tab. In Edge it is here. We press history and we click on the bin button, delete browsing data. This would be the same across all the other platforms like Chrome or Firefox. We'll select the time range as all time and we will check all these boxes and we will press clear now. And that should resolve the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, then we disable the extensions. Now, why we do that is because some of these extensions, they block the site or they interfere with the functioning of the site. And that is why you get the 505 error. So how do we do that? We will look for extensions and manage extensions. And we will see which extensions are currently active. And if they are active, we switch them off. And if there are more than one extension, we will switch off all the extensions and then turn them on one by one. And when we find the error again, we will turn off that extension. This will resolve the problem. Now, finally, if these three options do not work, then the only option is to use another browser. I'm using Edge, and if I have a problem of HTTP 505 on my Edge, then I would use Firefox or Chrome. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel.